Sir, there are petitions pending regarding premature release, opposing also and in support also by the convicts in Mandar Surlakar murder case. What happened today?
Today, matter was listed only for directions because on earlier occasions when these petitions came up for hearing, the matters have been argued and the court has actually not reserved for judgment, but today they listed it for direction because during the course the court realized that the substantial sentence 14 years have completed, but that in default sentence which is there, because when the sentence was imposed along with the life imprisonment, they were also directed to pay fine for each offence. That fine, as per the records, is not yet paid by the convicts.
Fine by the trial court.
No. The fine has to be paid because the
No,
trial.
it was awarded by the trial court with children's court.
It's a conviction. It's a conviction sentence along with fine of so and so amount, and it is per section, whichever section they are convicted for. In every of that section, there is a fine imposed. If that fine is not paid, then in default 3 months imprisonment is there. Now that 3 months imprisonment cannot be substituted with anything. Either you pay the fine or you undergo that simple imprisonment. That's the law. So therefore the court today kept it for direction to confirm whether that fine is paid or not, and if not paid, probably they will find out and report it on the next date. I don't know when it is kept. So next date they will comply. Maybe tomorrow only it is kept for compliance. That's what the only issue today which came up before the court.